is State of Wisconsin versus Brian M. Cooper. The file number is 12 CF109. The appearances in the case this morning are on behalf of the State of Wisconsin. Door County's District Attorney, Raymond Pellrine, is in courting person. The defendant, Mr. Cooper, is in courting person. Attorney Shane Brabazon is also in court in person. Mr. Brabazon is representing the defendant, Mr. Cooper. Mr. Cooper, the state has filed a criminal complaint against you in this case, charging you, sir, with 3 separate offenses. Count 1 is a charge of Class A felony, first-degree intentional homicide. Count 2 is another charge of Class A felony, first-degree intentional homicide. Finally, count 3 is a charge, sir, of Class G felony, third-degree sexual assault. These offenses are alleged to have occurred here in Door County back on August 19th of 2012. If convicted of count 1 and count 2, under each of those counts, you are facing the same maximum potential penalties. If convicted, you're facing imprisonment for life. If convicted of count 3, you're facing, sir, a fine of up to $25,000 and imprisonment for a period of up to 10 years. Now, because, Mr. Cooper, conviction on any of these 3 counts includes with it the possibility of incarceration, you are entitled, sir, to legal representation throughout the case. You have retained Mr. Brabazon to represent you in the matter, but if for any reason Mr. Brabazon could no longer represent you, you are entitled to alternate legal representation. Additionally, sir, because you are being charged with felonies in this case, you do have the right to have a preliminary hearing in this case, and because of the bond that has been set in this matter, you have the right to have that preliminary hearing within 10 days of today's date. Mr. Brabazon, can you turn that microphone on, please, in front of you? Mr. Brabazon, for purposes of an initial appearance in this matter this morning, is Mr. Cooper agreeable to waiving any further reading of the state's criminal complaint?
Yes, we are.
And I assume we will schedule the matter on for preliminary hearing?
Yes, we would be requesting a preliminary hearing. Note this is a special appearance, preserving any no jurisdictional objections at this point, including sufficiency. Judge, at this point, we're asking the court to schedule within the statutory time period.
I know you had indicated that you would probably be making that request, Mr. Brabazon, to the clerk, so I did look at some dates. I'm looking at potentially Monday, the 10th of September. I have an all-day family matter scheduled, but we can schedule this whenever it's convenient, if that's convenient for the state and defense counsel. The other option I would throw out would be Tuesday, the 11th at 11 a.m.
Judge, I could do Tuesday the 11th. I cannot do Monday.
Okay. So, Mr. Pellrine, the state will be ready to proceed with a prelim on next Tuesday, September 11 at 11 a.m.?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Cooper, we will set the matter on for a preliminary hearing next Tuesday, September 11, 2012 at 11 a.m. Too many 11s and 12s in there for me to keep it straight. Mr. Pellrine, anything else from the state standpoint today?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Brabazon?
No, Your Honor, not today.
Mr. Cooper, I would just remind you, sir, that your bond asset, along with all non-monetary bond conditions, those do remain in effect, sir. We will give you a card with the date and time of that preliminary hearing, just for your information. And I would urge you, sir, remain in contact with Mr. Brabazon. He will keep you posted on what's going on in this case and what is going to be happening next. Being nothing further than the matter, thank you, gentlemen. We're in recess.